Hello everyone, my name is Anshu. Recently I have completed my MBA in finance, and as I wanted to pursue my career in finance domain only, so I have enrolled for financial modeling and valuation course from IB Institute at New Delhi. So just 5 months ago I have enrolled for this course, and the duration of that course is only for 4 months. Within 4 months, Manoj sir have cleared my all finance concept. Along with, he taught me how you have to create sector specific financial model and how you have to apply various valuation technique, and how you have to do project financing, MA analysis, and various aspects of the finance I have gone through. After completing the training program, Manoj sir have conducted various mock interviews just to overcome all my shortcomings and make me seek for placement. And I am very thankful to Manoj sir, Anshu sir, to all the faculty of the IB Institute who have supported me in providing my dream job. I am working in real estate company and I am very happy that to be a part of that company. So guys, if you are looking for enrolling for the financial modeling and valuation course, then I must suggest you must go for that course at IB Institute at New Delhi. So thank you everyone.